regard of life. Christianity. What does Jesus mean to me? He was one of the greatest leaders humanity has ever had. To his believers, he was God's only begotten Son. Islam. Islam's distinctive contribution to India's national culture is its unadulterated belief in the oneness of God and a practical application of the truth of the brotherhood of man. Gandhi's favorite hymn was Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, which he chanted regularly in all his prayer meetings. Through this hymn, Gandhi conveys us a powerful message that God is the one and only infinite divinity that is within us all, and we are all within Him. Raghupati Gandhi says, "To me, God is truth and love. God is ethics and morality. God is fearlessness. God is the source of light and love. God is conscience. He is even the atheism of the atheist." I now invite everyone to keep silence for a moment, to close our eyes and bow our heads as we say Amen.